Hello students and viewers, I take this moment as the prestigious one to present this video session as a present to you all. This is K. Venkatesan from Department of Physics, Bharathasan Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now I am going to introduce new topic, 11th standard physics, second unit, kinematics. Okay, the subtopic is component of a vectors. This is our topic, today topic, component of a vectors. Already we know the basic concept of Cartesian coordinate system. The Cartesian coordinate system consists of three coordinates, x coordinate, y coordinate and z coordinate. Now I am going to explain the component of a vector, the Cartesian coordinate system of any vectors. See here, any vectors, which means these are a vectors, can be resolved into three components along the x coordinate, y coordinate and the z coordinate. See the diagram. This is the three Cartesian coordinate system or three dimensional coordinate system. This is the one vector ax, ay and az. It consists of three coordinates, three unit vector I cap, j cap, k cap. Okay, this one is I cap, here j cap, here k cap. Okay, so it consists of three components. See here, any Cartesian coordinate system of any vector, a vector means a vector represents three vectors, a equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Similarly, b vector also we can written as bx I cap, by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay, see here, three dimensional coordinate system. Let us consider a three dimensional coordinate system. This is a good example for three dimensional coordinate system. So a vector is consist of three Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, see, listen here. So a vector, one of the vector, it consists of three coordinate system, which means ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay, this is the three dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, similarly we can write b vector equal to say what is the value? Yes, bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Okay, this is a three dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, see, next one is two dimensional Cartesian coordinate system, sir. Same way, see here, two dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. See, this is a two dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Any vectors, here we take a vector only. Okay, any vector, a vector, b vector, c vector, any vector, it covers two dimension only, or it covers circular, that means curved surface. Okay, x and y coordinates. Any vector covers two direction, that means x direction or y direction, or y direction or z direction. Any two vectors cover means this is called a two dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. See here, let us consider one vectors, a vector. In this vector consists of two dimensional, that means x coordinate and y coordinates. See here, two dimensional Cartesian coordinate system, we will take a vector. Here, a vector can be written as, yes, ax I cap plus ay j cap. What about k cap? That means unit vector k. Here z direction is option, so dimensionless or zero vector. Okay, see, this is the two dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Similarly, we can write b vector equal to bx I cap plus by j cap. Okay, so z is 0. Now to find the magnitude of the a vectors, this is the a vector. To find the magnitude of a vector, we will take horizontal direction x, that means x direction, no, horizontal direction. We will take ax cos theta. We will take ax cos theta. Okay, now here y components, see here, similarly a y sin theta, because we will take x direction, that means horizontal direction cos theta and vertical direction sin theta. To find the magnitude of a vector means is simple concept, a vector equal to magnitude of a, no, modulus of a, like that, a equal to square root of ax square plus ay square. This is very important formula, magnitude of resultant vectors, okay, A vectors. Next one is problem. See here, what are the unit vectors along the negative x direction, negative y direction and negative z direction? Okay, see here, what are the unit vectors? Already there are, we discussed 3 unit vectors, I cap, j cap, k cap, no? See here, let us consider here 3-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. See here, what are the unit vectors along the negative x direction? See here. See, this is x, this one is y, this one is z. Okay, 3-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system. Here x means we take I cap, here y means we take j cap unit vectors and here k cap z. Okay, here see again, what are the unit vectors along the negative x direction? This one is negative direction, no, that means the positive direction, no, x positive value, get the positive value. So here question, negative x direction is nothing but in this value only. Okay, so this is the negative x direction. Okay, so at the time the unit vectors along the negative direction can be, see the diagram, the unit vectors along the negative x direction is, we will take minus I cap, we will take minus I cap, because here plus I cap, no, so you are asking negative I direction only, negative x direction, so this is the negative x direction, we will take minus I cap unit vector. Okay, similarly y direction, see here next question, negative y direction, this is the y direction, okay, horizontal direction, so similarly we will take here, this is minus y. Okay, take unit vectors, here j cap, opposite direction, minus j cap, you will take minus j cap. Okay, similarly this is the x direction, no, here asking negative x direction, negative x direction, which one is negative x direction? Here x direction. Okay, take unit cap, that means k cap, unit vectors k cap, so in this direction this is the minus k, which means minus z minus k cap direction. Okay, clear? So here k cap, this is the opposite, negative, z direction is nothing but minus k cap, this is the unit vector of z direction. Okay, this is a important problem. Dear students, I hope you all would have enjoyed this class and I believe that it will satisfy your thirst of knowledge. Thank you. If any doubt means contact us. Thank you.